Hello everyone. Welcome to the second episode of the Web Element series. And today I would be teaching you to create this. A pure CSS infinite scrolling background. All this written as the content is a self-generated sentence which is quite a lot used in web development. So let's get started. We will start from the body tag, as everything we would be writing is a part of what we want to show in the body of our website. Now we would be creating a div which I would name as scrolling background. Now we would be adding another div for the content. I would be making it outside the div of the scrolling background. And we can name it anything. I would be literal and write content. Now I would give a heading tag, which I mostly use the h1 tag, and we can simply write lorem and click tab, and the whole sentence will generate on its own. This is the entire HTML we require to create this. Now it's turn for the CSS. We'll start with the CSS for body. We'll also write HTML to make it for the entire website. So we can put the margin 0. The padding should also be 0. I'm putting height at 100% so that the background is functional on the entire website, and overflow hidden. Now I'm first going to style the content we have written. I would give it a font size of, suppose, 24 pixels, and I will color it white for now. No, I would rather, I'll not change the color right now. I would change it later on as per the colors I choose for the gradient. For now, I'm just commenting it out. Now we have to put the display as flex, so that we can bring the content in the center. Now just justify items center wait, sorry, I had to write content there. Now we'll work on the background. As we have given the name scrolling background, so we would be using that class name here in the CSS file. So first of all, we need the position to be fixed. and we need to keep it visible on the entire screen, so we'll put the top and left to 0 and width at 100% as well as the height at 100%. And we would put the Z index. Z index is what shows that where that class would be visible. And I would put it as -1 so that it is visible behind the content rather than overflowing the content. So after the Z index, I would put the background tag, which will consist of linear gradient. I would specify the degree as 90 degrees and I will choose the colors, first of all black, then the other color would be red, and we can also use white, but as I have specified the color of the content as white, so using white would make it invisible for some time. So I am going with red. Notice that I am writing the hex code of the colors. And again, black. Now we have to specify the background size. So we'll give it a size of 200% and 100%. And now I will add the animation. Scroll, background, 10 seconds, linear and infinite. This animation shows that the background we have given that consists of the linear gradient would be scrolling in a linear and infinite form. So now we can go to the keyframes property of CSS. As it is our control panel towards the animation, as we need to specify some changes in the animation to make it work. So I would give background position 0 space 0 semicolon. And now background position 200% 0 semicolon. I think I did some mistake. Let me check why the code is not working properly. Okay, maybe this is the problem. Yes, see this. Now as we can see, because of the black color of the content, it is visible till the background color is red. But once it turns black, nothing is visible. So I would decomment this color for the font, and now we can completely see it. We can change whatever we have written in the h1 tags. For example, I can write the channel name and it is completely visible here. We can also change the font, but I would not like to go that deep in this video because this was mainly on the infinite scrolling background. So thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing and liking this video. Bye.